Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can change your gender in your Tubi account. So guys, if you signed up with a different gender at first and now you want to change it, then this video is for you. So if you're a new user and you don't know how to do so, then let's get right into the video without any delays. So once you have opened your browser and you're in this page, just look at the top right corner with your name on it. Now select account settings, which is right above help center, and once you do so, you would be in your profile over here. You would have all the options related to your account. So there's your first name, your email, and finally your gender. Since it's the gender we're trying to change, just go ahead and tap over here and now just select what gender that you are. So let's say if I want to tap on other and save it. And as you can see, I've successfully changed my gender. So guys, that's how you do it. That's how you change your gender on Tubi. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.